How to remove. This account might include sensitive content. Warning on X. Hey everyone. In this fast and simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. This account might include sensitive content warning on X. You might still know it as Twitter. If you've tried visiting someone's profile and keep running into that annoying message, don't worry. I've got you covered. Follow along step by step and you'll be able to view all content with no interruptions. All right, let's jump right into it. First things first, open up any browser on your phone or computer and head over to x.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your username and password, just like you normally do. After logging in, look for your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen and tap on it. Next, scroll all the way down until you see Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and tap that. Inside the Settings menu, select Privacy and Safety. Now here's the important part. Tap on Content You See. This section controls what kind of content shows up in your feed and on profiles. You'll see a setting labeled Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Make sure to toggle that on. Once it's turned on, simply refresh the page to lock in your changes. And that's it. You're done. Now go back and visit that profile again. The warning should be gone, and you'll be able to view everything without restrictions.